Hey there! Let's start this video with those articulated snowmen by 3D printing. These are the parts that you need to 3D print. And for the assembly, you will also need a rubber band. First cut it in half, then you have to get it through the base of the snowman. For this, I would recommend tweezers. Once you got it through the base, you have to get it through all other parts of the snowman. Final step, tying a knot. Cut the excess rubber band and apply some super glue on the head. Time for the details. After putting on the golden buttons, it's time to add the carrot nose and eyes. And there you have it, a cute little snowman. Look at it dancing. And of course, you can print other type of snowman with different accessories. I really think it's a great design. Next, we're having a golden gift box with a twist. These are again the parts which you will need to 3D print. For the assembly, you will need some super glue. After applying it, you can start adding the red ribbon. After finishing the lid, the same goes for the main part of the box. Time to add the twist with this twist lock mechanism. After applying some more super glue, time to add the main part of the twist lock. Let's finalize the ribbon, which also serves as the lever for the twist lock mechanism. After closing the lid, it locks in place. And it can only be opened by turning the ribbon. The smaller gift box in gold and green also looks amazing. Now have a look at those two fellows. Super fun and easy to print. All you need are these 5 parts. Let's quickly assemble it, inserting the beard part into the body, adding the nose, inserting the pin that connects body and head, and sliding on the head. Next, you will have to remove the support of the beard. This is what it looks like after removing the support. Now to the fun part, melting the beard in place with a hairdryer. A bit of grooming and styling, and you're done. Looks amazing! I also really do like this green hat. But of course, you can go for any color you like. This really is a creative and fun design. You should give it a try. And on to the next one. Have a look at this Pullstring Elf. Assembly is super easy. Let's go into it. After tying on the pull string, time to glue on the head and cloth. Next, let's put on the gloves and shoes. Now that's a cute detail for the pull string. And by pulling on the string, the elf moves the arms and legs. By the way, this is a moving mechanism. And there's also a nutcracker version, which you should definitely give a try. It uses the same mechanism. This is a super cool 3D print, a Christmas bell Cryptex with a secret message. Let's open it. Merry Christmas. Nice! These are the parts which you will need to 3D print for building your own Cryptex bell. The assembly itself is super easy, but first let's remove some supports. Also on the cylinder which holds your secret message. Let's start the assembly. With the notch in the red part, you can set your individual digit in the digit ring. Then simply slide it on the body. One ring after the other, you're building up your Cryptex. And now the final digit ring, closing it all up with the top part. Beautiful. As a small detail, let's add the clapper to the bell. Some last strips of super glue, and the clapper is done. Let's insert the secret message. Simply roll it up, put it into the cylinder, slide it into the bell, change the digits, and it's all locked up. Christmas is the time of gift cards, so this pop-up gift card box comes in super handy. Again, these are the parts which you will need to 3D print for building your own. Let's assemble the internal mechanism. You can use some regular 3D printing filament to connect the parts. Once connected, simply cut off any excess filament. I'm using super glue here and there for a more secure connection. This is how the scissor mechanism works. Very nice. Final step, inserting the mechanism into the box. I recommend using some super glue to lock it all in place. Using tweezers makes it easier to push in the filament. Some final cuts on the excess filament, and the pop-up gift card box is complete. Adding this 3D printed band as a final detail. I also really like this box printed in a different color with a diamond structure. Have a look at the winter scenery on this Lithophane Christmas bell. I also like the bigger one, very Christmassy. 3D printing it is super easy. This is what it looks like, fresh off the print bed. Without light, it doesn't look like much, because the lithophane works with different wall thicknesses, which blocks or lets light pass through. So let's add some light to get the full effect. To direct the light, I've designed and 3D printed this LED light cover. Let's turn off the light. And this is beautiful. Can you see the winter landscape? Let's have a look at the other bell. Oh, there's Santa with his reindeer. And here comes the final Christmas print of this video, a vintage Sled kit card. For assembling it, let's remove all the parts. The assembly is super easy. You simply slot the parts together. With a bit of a push, they click together. Let's add the steering. This really is a great design. And the steering is fully functional. Awesome. And in red, it looks even faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments which Christmas print is your favorite. Merry Christmas!